welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So today, as you can see from the title below, we have the June 2019 Lipstick Junkie box. They were a little late in shipping out, but I do have it now, even though we are just into July. So gonna go ahead and do the unboxing and share it with you guys. I'm super excited. This actually is a really good subscription in my opinion. As far as some of the lip product subscriptions, this one I do think is definitely better. You usually get at least 4 different lip products, and they could be like a bullet lipstick, liquid lipstick, lip gloss, just all kinds of different things. And I believe I will put a link down below. I believe it's $14.95 a month. They usually have some kind of promo going on. I know for a while they had a promo where you could get your first box for only $5. So I will double check all of that and put a link down below. And if there is a promo code going on right now, I'll put that as well so you can save some money and sign up to get some amazing lip products. So again, this is for June 2019, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. Now, it did come in an outer packaging. I just took that plastic off, so let's open her up. I love the box. Isn't it like fun and summery? Shades going on. It's like mermaid. It's just super cute. All right, so when you open it, it says, "Hello, Summer." And we do have a card here on top. I do like that they include a card, and the card not only tells you about the products, but it does include pricing, which I do like. So this is what I see inside once we remove the card. So let's see what it says. "Hello, June. The summer heat is starting to kick in, and this means it's time to enjoy some fun times in the sun. In this Fun's box, we're including some great products that will keep your lips moisturized and healthy so you can show off that beautiful smile." So the June Lipstick Junkie box. The first thing I see here on top is from Starlooks, and it's actually like a little duo. That they're both the perfect size. Now, and in my opinion, these sizes, when stuff comes in sizes like this, I think it's fine, because as many lip products, lippies, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, anything like that that I have, I'm never going to use it in full. So I appreciate actually getting smaller sizes like this, because I know that it's not going to go bad, and also they're perfect for your purse to not take up too much room. I keep an Ipsy bag in my purse with lots of different products. These would be the perfect size to put into that bag and keep it with me for on the go. So let's take a look here and see. All right, so we have, let's see. This first one we'll talk about here looks like, yeah, this is a lip gloss, and it's in Pure. I don't know that it's picking it up on camera, but it is kind of a little bit of an iridescent holographic gloss. Excuse me. Go pure and be the envy of your friends with this tasty opal gloss. Gives your lips a holographic sheen with a subtle hint of lavender. And it says retail value is $12. Again, this is the perfect size. And I do know Starlooks can be pricey on some things, so I can honestly say that I think this probably really is $12. So the next item is, that was in that, is the perfect size lipstick in Vin Pidelant. This luxurious holiday wine shade contains a unique reflective mica, which provides a metallic finish and sparkle that can be used as a blush and or shader for the eye, and it's the perfect size for those who are on the go and will fit even in the smallest of purses. And this has a retail value of $19. Now it is safety sealed. Yeah, it says lipstick, blush, and shader. That's awesome. So it's good to know that you can use this on your eye. You can use this, let's see this color. Since they're saying you can use it as a blush. and all of that. Plastic's wanting to stick to me. So this is it out of the package. Star looks. Oh, now this is super pretty. Would I use this as a blush? No. No. It's too bold to, in my opinion, for a blush. And I don't know, but I do think that, and it referenced holidays, so I'm going with that. I do think that around the holidays, this would be an absolutely beautiful shade to have for then. You can see, you guys, that is just gorgeous. You see the sparkle in it? Oh my gosh, I love that so much. I do think, again, like I said, this is like the perfect shade for the holiday. And if you wanted to, you obviously could put that, the lip gloss that came with it over it just for an extra little oomph, if you will. So there is that. So those were kind of together. And then we have from Appeal, the holographic lip gloss. Funny as it is, this actually, I do believe, is in my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Is it in my 3,000 or did I put this to the side for the 4,000? I can't remember. But I actually had gotten one of these and I have another lip gloss very similar. I believe this is in my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So what I'm probably going to do, you can see the sparkle there. This is such a pretty lip gloss, is put this one to the side as well for a future giveaway. So I hope you guys like sparkly goodness. I know I do, but like I said, I already have something like this, so this will be coming up in a future giveaway. Let's see. And then we have from Cougar Cosmetics. This is a 24-hour liquid lipstick in candy. So here it is in the packaging. Oh, now this is like really pretty. I really like that. That's a really pretty color. I like that a lot. That's super pretty. I keep going back to it. I'm like, oh, that's really pretty. That's a color to me that really would work year round. I mean, you could pull this off in the spring, in obviously the summer. I even think into fall and possibly winter. This is just one of those colors that is just really gorgeous and you could definitely get many, many uses from. I did not go over the Appeal Cosmetics. I apologize. The Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss in Trendsetter is a retail value of $21. Last but not least, because it's listed last on here, we have this beautiful holographic lip gloss that works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy, giving it a multi-dimensional argan oil infused shine. So, yay! And then we have one final product. This is from Rad Alchemist. 2-in-1 tinted lip and cheek butter with raspberry seed oil. Okay. This is cruelty-free. This ultra moisturizing, easy glide lip and cheek butter is formulated with premium lip and skin loving ingredients such as raspberry seed oil and shea butter. It is further enhanced with naturally harvested mineral pigments, which provide a healthy tint that is perfect for the lips, cheeks, and even eyelids. The creamy, buttery consistency can be layered so you're able to achieve a light, sheer finish or a rich pop of color. It says to use a lip brush or finger, glide on or dap onto. That just sounds weird. Glide on or dap onto lips and cheeks. So this again is the outer packaging. Oh, and I can see this. Okay, so this is the little guy right here. But again, I mean, for a lip product, you really don't need much. That is a pretty color. That's a really, really pretty color. And I can see that being used as a blush. Now, that Star looks, not so much. This lightly, yes, I definitely could see being a blush. And again, the color is coral. So, all right. Let's see. That said, that is a $14 value. This ultra moisturizing Easy Glide Lip and Cheek Butter is formulated with premium lip and skin loving ingredients such as raspberry, seed oil, and shea butter. The creamy buttery consistency can be layered so you're able to achieve a light sheer finish or rich pop of color. I think that was exactly what it said on the box. So that was our June 2019 lipstick junkie box. What did you guys think? I mean, we got the Cougar Cosmetics right here, which is a beautiful shade. The Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss, which is gorgeous. Then that Cougar, or not Cougar. We did get Cougar, but that Coral Rad Alchemist, the 2-in-1 that I just showed you, this guy right here. Upside down. And then this little duo from Starlooks, the little gloss and that beautiful shade of lipstick. So I definitely think it's worth it. I mean, the price of this box, I think, is very reasonable. If you love lip products and different types of lippies and lipsticks and glosses, this is definitely for you. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. I will definitely check to make sure if there's a promo code. If there is, I will put one down there for you. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.